Hello everyone, welcome to GYA channel. Today we are going to introduce how to terminate and crimp an easy plug. We will demonstrate both Cat5e and Cat6 easy plugs. Compared to the common plug, the special feature of one easy plug is its 8 wire holes are open. So it is easier for the cable termination and arranging the wires according to the wire maps. If the installation environment is not with sufficient light, the easy plug will be more recommended than the common ones. Then let's show how to terminate and crimp an easy plug. This is one Cat5e UTP easy plug. Its 8 wire holes are in the same line. This is the special crimping tool, striper, and scissor. Step 1. Strip the cable jacket. Different from the common plug, the stripping length is not that important, because we can insert the extra wires through the wire holes and cut them off. Step 2. Arrange the wires as per 568B. Step 3. Insert the cable into the plug. Step 4. Crimping and cut off the extra wires. Next, let's show Cat6 UTP easy plug. It is one part type with wire structure for up for down, and so not very big difference with Cat5e. Step 1. Strip the cable jacket. Step 2. Cut the cross inside the cable. Step 3. Arrange the wires as per 568B and 4 wires up, 4 wires down. Step 4. Insert the cable into the plug. Step 5. Crimping and cut off the extra wires. Now 2 patch cords with easy plugs are finished. If you want to know more about our products, welcome to subscribe to our channel. Or you can also comment or leave a message for us. We will reply as soon as possible.